Sovereign AI is about fueling local innovation with homegrown and trusted intelligence. And that intelligence is rooted in your own data, in your own values, your own culture, and your own priorities. Orange started the Gen AI adoption journey very early on. Just 10 months after ChatGPT came out, we launched our internal platform called Live Intelligence that enables our employees to use Gen AI and agentic AI in a highly compliant environment. Fast forward today, we have 80,000 of Orange employees using Gen AI on a daily basis. And we have use cases all the way from HR to finance to customer support, operations, sales, and you name it. We have 14,000 AI assistants available in our AI library, so our employees can use whatever already exists. And we already started the journey to bring this to our enterprise customers. We are entering a new age of trusted AI services, and that has to be built on trusted foundation of infrastructure and services. And telcos are the best place to capitalize on that opportunity. And now we're extending further the partnership with NVIDIA, joining NVIDIA Cloud Partner Program to have access to NVIDIA software and the ecosystem of partners. Our ambition is to be the trusted platform in the era of intelligence. And what is a trusted platform? It goes beyond connectivity, providing cloud and cybersecurity. It provides AI services to enterprises, including sovereign and trusted AI services, and offering targeted AI solutions that tackles for specific needs of enterprise customers. Progress means nothing if it leaves people behind. The future of agentic AI has to be responsible, trusted, and human-centered.